Multi-stream. We want to see if we are good. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay. All right. Okay. Hmm. All right. Let me test. Let's see. What if somebody follows? I wonder. Huh. Weird. Okay. I'm gonna get some music going. And then we'll start trying to work on this. What's a good song? I do not know a good song right now. No, that's garbage. Cool game, bitch, I thought.
I see dead
Alright,
people. Hey, mustard on the beat, ho, Debo,
Alright, bet.
nigga, he a freak throw, man, damn, call like Amber Lambs, tell him
What the fuck?
nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all and they know how many options you really got. I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas.
There we go.
Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walking down whole time, I know he got
Okay.
some hoe in him. Pull start shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baca got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boy, certified pedophiles.
Oh, our chat's working, let's go. Let me try the Twitch.
Why you trolling like a bitch, ain't you tired?
And then we should be good.
It's probably A minor.
Let me see. Is it working? Test, test.
They not like us. They not like us.
Oh, they both work, let's go.
They not like us.
Okay, so... I need to grab water.
Then stab this way, stab that way, then stab this way, stab that way.
Hey, used to have a silver tooth when I was just a pup, yeah. Now I got some killers who got shotties with the pumps. I don't wanna catch the feelings, I be trying to see what's up. Now the shorty clean the prentice, I'm a diamond and the run it back. Used to have a silver tooth when I was just a pup. Now I got some killers who got shotties with the I don't wanna catch the feelings, I be trying to see what's up. How that shorty clean the prentice, I'm a diamond and the rough. Ay, first order of biz, no snitch, and I try to keep it simple, but the kids don't listen. Got another hit.
Okay, so... I think what we're gonna try to do is we are gonna work on trying to develop a resource assistant for 2 counties in Washington State. And this is gonna take some time, so hopefully you guys are patient. It's not gonna be today, it's not gonna be tomorrow. It's probably gonna be a month-long project that I want to work on and eventually try to present the idea to both these counties in Washington State. I'm not a coder, full, you know, just being transparent about it. I'm not a coder. I don't know about half the things I'm doing, but I'm hoping that this is going to be a good learning experience to eventually get me into this field. So, the first couple things that I have is a kind of generic layout that I made about a week ago, and then I figured that I might as well just start streaming it realistically. I mean, might as well if I'm going to be working on it a lot. So, let's see. Oh, nope. I actually don't have that file anymore. Let's see. Oh, wait, do I? Let's see. Come on. Maybe I do. Okay. I do. Okay. So, this is what I got so far. And I need to work on deleting these print options. I don't know the command to get these to go away sooner than later. Then I eventually want to build this into an HTML format. But I don't know how yet. So that's okay. I'm going to learn. Let's see. And let me see after I delete these time.sleeps, that it works. It should. I mean, in theory. Let me change this music to something different. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we imported time from datetime, import datetime, time delta, and we're gonna open up a second browser so I can just keep it handy. But we're gonna eventually work into learning pandas, and then what is another good one, honestly? Big over here. Let's see. You can't hear that switch, but you can hear them niggas scream. All my hoes do shrooms, nigga. All my hoes do coke. 20 karat ring, I put my fingers down her throat. If I lose a carrot, she might choke. Okay, let's open that up. Okay, so benefits of pandas. Let's see, so we need, and then we should probably open up a pandas library, just in case. I think I already installed pandas, I can't remember. I also don't know how to compile file formats correctly either yet, but I'm gonna work on that. Let's see, so we got okay. User guide. Okay, so import pandas, how to read these guides. Let's open this up. User guide covers panda basics by topic area. Each of these pros and cons of pandas. So data structure, so data frames can be Thought of as containers for multiple series objects that allows for the representation. Alright, we're gonna chill. We're gonna turn on some different ass music, bro. Let's turn on. Let's close that out. I wonder. Well, let's put on some deep focus shit. Sign into this shit. Boom. Boom. What the fuck? Oh, I think it's... Damn, I actually fucked up my password. Ah. Oh my god. Try a different way. Use your passkey. Why's my... Let's try this. Okay, no. Oh, I think I know what it is actually. I don't know what the fuck that password is, bro. Come on, no. You know what? That's okay. I'll figure it out later. Let's see. Add. Sign in. We'll do this. Confirm it's me. That's not it. It's a different one. Okay. Try it again, resend it. Okay. Oh, wait. Let me go back. Try another way. Use your passkey. Boom. Okay, we should be good. And let's turn on yes and then. Sell themes, materials. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. We're back. Close all these shit, yo. God damn. Deep state. Super focus. I want to see if Suicide Boys actually posted new music. I think they did. Oh no. 1 month ago. Okay. No.
Back in the house with a 9-4.
You did good, sir.
Alright. Yo, why is my shit so weird? Why is my display so fucking whack? Not even working. Properties. Maybe I just need to do a filter. Scale, is it really dark? I feel like my screen is so dim. I don't like that. Oh, whatever. Cool. Alright. Let's do... Let me open up my control panel, see if I could change it. Enable full screen, boom. Color settings. I don't know. Image. Bro, what the fuck is going on? Why is my brightness so ass right now, bro? I don't I don't understand. I did not close my music, did I? I guess I did. It's cool. Try another way. Use my passkey. Alright. No, it wasn't even closed. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, we're gonna listen to this. Hopefully that's not too loud. If it is, just let me know. I really don't know why my brightness is so loud. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Alright, so for everybody that's just joining in right now, we are making a resource assistant using Python code. We are currently trying to compile the information. It's going to be based between 2 counties using some form of data frame that I'm still trying to learn, pandas, in order to compile information. So it's going to ask questions. Those questions are then going to be directed to a database, and then from there print out the answers that the individual has given, and then print out the resources accessible to those individuals based off their answers. Then from there compile it into another database, and then grab percentage sets, anonymous data sets or percentage sets from these individuals to see what key problems that county is having. Now, I just need to reiterate, I am 110% not a coder. I am completely brand new to this information, but I have been working on Python for about a month. I feel like I'm getting decently far, and it's really, really fun. So hopefully, for those of you that are currently in this live, make sure to subscribe, because we're going to continue to keep doing this probably every day for a while. So this project is extremely large, but it would be really amazing to get accomplished and then present it to the healthcare authority in these counties and see if we could use this as a tool to present to the underserved individuals in the community. So if you guys agree with this and think that this project is worth something, make sure to drop a like, drop a follow, and stay tuned for this insane adventure that I'm about to be going down. Also, drop comments down below if you guys have any questions about the project too. I am more than willing to answer some of your questions. Again, too, I am completely new to this field of coding, but Python is a great learning language, so I might as well start with that and work my way up. Honestly, looks like we are currently streaming on YouTube and Twitch right now. So, again, make sure to drop a like on the YouTube if you guys can. Share on Twitch, and yeah, we'll just get some people in here. Let's see. So we currently do have quite a few followers in. Let's see. We do have quite a few followers on both platforms. Not an excessive amount. I'd say like 70 on each, but if we could get up to 100 each on each platform, that would be great. But yeah, make sure to ask me questions too while I'm doing this. I'm gonna be kind of vibing out. If you guys want to stay along for the process, I'm gonna be doing some mild research on quite a few of these things. The architecture of this code is really not that good, but we're definitely gonna be trying our hardest. So, all right, let's try to get back into this. I do not like why does it keep on signing me out? Okay, so let's do, so pandas explained, because we do need to do some research on this. Okay, NumPy versus pandas.
NumPy and like pandas. These are libraries that can help spot trends over time, gain insights into data, and maybe one day even solve the mystery of just why 7, 8, 9. So today we're going to take a closer look at NumPy and pandas.
Oh,
and
this is a good video. I can already tell.
If you've ever seen a simple ray of sunlight plus a glass prism, you've seen how that combination lets us see all the colors of the visible spectrum hidden inside. Well, when a data scientist comes across some interesting new data and they want to get a deeper look, they've got a number of tools they reach for. Now, this would be a great time for some background music, but I'm being told that that's not in the budget. Now, Python, Python, Python is...
Hold on, guys. I really gotta fix this. This shit is annoying the hell out of me. There's no way. No, it's not even like that. I'm on Windows 10. Is it this? New background app added. OBS is good. You got overlays. Oh. Down by my... Boop. It's not even over here. The fuck? Okay, whatever.
Probably the language most associated with data science, but it's not really Python itself providing these deep perspective shifting capabilities. It's usually some sort of Python library which specializes in numerical and data processing. And two of the biggest ones out there are, oh yes, NumPy and pandas.
All right.
So which one is the right one for us? Is there a clear winner in this mathematical matchup? Well, for starters, we're not in for too intense of a brawl here, since pandas is actually built on top of NumPy. So even if we're fully team pandas, we're still
change the filter, guys.
using NumPy. Now, NumPy was released as an open source project back in 2005. with the goal of bringing scientific computing to Python. It was based on two earlier packages. Those packages were numeric, and the other package was NumArray. And its strength really lies in its ability to work with multi-dimensional array objects. From there, users can sort, search, filter, apply linear algebra, Fourier transforms, the tools a data scientist needs to handle large amounts of data much faster than they could with Python's built-in functions. Specifically, it leverages something called BLAS. That is an acronym for Basic Linear Algebra Subprograms, and LAPACK, which is also an acronym, Linear Algebra Package. And it uses those to supercharge its linear algebra capabilities. So,
Why is the
all
gamma
good.
so bright?
Why not
Jesus.
just stop there? Why not stay
Look,
comfortably
nice.
NumPy? Well, as its name suggests, NumPy is all about numbers. And where it really excels is numerical analysis, linear algebra, and simulations. But when it comes to data analysis and manipulation, working with a wide range of data sources, that's where
Alright, that's really not helping me that much. Let's see. Pandas. Complete Python pandas. Data science tutorial. Okay.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we are not talking about the fluffy animal or the song by designer, but instead we're going to dive into the pandas library of Python, which I find to be one of the most useful libraries when you're doing anything data science related in Python. So this video will be a good standalone video if you've never done anything with pandas, kind of going from zero to like fairly comfortable in one sitting. Also is a good video if you have, some Python pandas experience, but you're looking to try to figure out how to do something specific. If you're in that second case, look down in the comments and I'll pin a timeline of what we're doing in this video so you can find exactly what you're looking for quickly. So one question you might have as you watch this video is like, why pandas? A lot of the stuff you'll see me doing, you probably could replicate in Excel, installed, and then you need to open.
So, don't say.
Open up a terminal window and type in pip install pandas if you don't.
So, terminal. Pip install pandas. Like pandas. Cool. Okay, so packages, we got NumPy, Python pandas, 6. What is 6?
Don't already have the library. As you can see, I already have it. Once you have the library, we can actually begin loading in data super quickly. So I just want to dive into the data right away, and we'll use that data to kind of learn everything we need to know regarding this library. So I have a link in the description to my GitHub page where I have a CSV of data that we're going to be using for this video. So go to my GitHub page, and then this data is going to be on Pokemon. I found this data on Kaggle. It's like a good open source machine learning website that you can kind of like do all sorts of challenges. And I thought it was perfect for an introductory video on pandas. So you don't have to be a huge fan of Pokemon, but it's a great data set to get started. So click on the CSV version. That's kind of the most important one. As you can see, you can kind of get a feel for what's in this
quality
data.
Is ass.
So we have all the different Pokemon, and then all of their kind of stats, and we'll be doing all sorts of manipulations and doing all sorts of analysis on this data throughout the video. But I want you to click on raw, and then once you have the raw file, you can just save as. I called mine Pokemon data, and I saved it as a CSV. CSV is important for loading it in properly, but you can name it whatever. So Pokemon data.csv. And one thing to note is wherever you're writing your code, you should save this data in the same exact directory, just so it's easy to load in these files. Okay, once you have the data saved locally, open up your favorite text editor. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using Jupyter Notebooks because I like using that for data science related stuff, but you can use Sublime Text, PyCharm, whatever you like to write your code in. And I'm going to just clear all of this that I have on the screen right now. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is load data into pandas. So we have this CSV, and you can open up the CSV and look, but exactly what you saw.
Alright.
On this page. So this is what we're going to load into the pandas library, and we're going to load it in what is called a data frame. It's not super important, everything about a data frame, but that's kind of what the object type is that Pandas allows you to manipulate everything with. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is type in import pandas to get the library. And usually what you'll see is it's kind of annoying to have to reference pandas every time you type anything in that uses it. So we usually import it as pandas as PD. So just do that. And then to quickly get our data loaded in, I'm gonna just say Poke, meaning Pokemon, or maybe I can just call this like DF for data frame equals PD, and then there's this really useful function called read CSV. And then you have to pass in the path to that CSV. And if you wrote the...
So, I think I pulled up Pandas library earlier. Yeah, I did. PD data frame. Import Pandas at PD. PD data frame. For example, the first block is a standard Python input. In Jupyter Notebook, so I find it printed in box for shown. 10 minutes to pandas. Okay. I want to do basic data structures. So let's see. Import NumPy. NumPy's already imported, so let's do boop. Then let's go. We're gonna import pandas as PD, then import NumPy. Is it NumPy? As NP. And then I'm gonna compile that information right there. I already, why can I not import that? Kill terminal, restart it. Oop, run. Okay, file. Let's try to do.
Put the CSV
So we can
in the same file.
select language. Let's do. Okay. I need to organize some shit. What's the shit? Okay. Let's make a new folder. It's gonna be folder resource assistant. Okay, let's do that. Open folder, desktop, resource assistant. Select folder. You want to change? Yes. Okay. Just the authors of the files. Folder desktop. Yep. Okay, so now we're in that file. Let's do a Python code, and I need to run. Let's do coding resource assistant. So take all this data. Let's reopen that back up. We're gonna add a new file. It's gonna be main.py. Boom. Okay, this is gonna be our code. We're gonna work on this just a little bit. Let's play some music. Okay. I think we are good. Alright, so we are Bob. Stu 1999 Feel free to answer yes or no. You want to proceed? Yes. Thurston County. Yes. Yes. Okay. So this is a lot. This is a lot of information for not a lot of outcome. So how can we compile this? So let's start off. Okay, let's do define questions equal to are you on Social Security? If yeah, if answer, if input is equal to then pass. Are you working with someone in social services? And then try to run it. I already see an error. Oh, I think this is what it was. Let's see if that works. Oh my god. Is that the wrong one? Define questions equals I gotta go back to my roots. Hold on. Okay, how to use simple definition of Python as a computer program language. Okay, define main. Well, the main function is to act to the starting point of execution for any program software. So, for example, with returns on it. Return statement best usage. Okay. Return statement is a special statement that you can use inside a function or method to send the function's result back to the caller. Return statement consists of the return keyword followed by an optional return value. The return value of a Python function can include any Python object. We can use them to perform computation in your program. The return statement